everybody and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do a unpackaging. This is from the Mobibodi. So I've said this before in some of my other videos that I have done with unboxing the reusable period panties and stuff. I am planning on doing a video where I compare all of them if I can, to see which ones are worth it and which ones aren't. Okay, so this is the Classic Air Bikini in black. That's what I got. And then here's the information if you wanted to get it. Okay, it says do not cut. There's a little tab here. I'm going to pull it off. Set it to the side. Alright. Ooh. These feel different. Okay, so I do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. These just look like regular panties. Besides this section, I'm not going to take this off yet. I'm going to try them on before. Is for the blood, where some of them go up. This one only goes, you can see the seam right here. The seam right there. Bottom. These really smell funky. That makes sense. Compared to the other ones. So I am going to read you what it says on the back of the thing. It says, at Mobibodi, we welcome period, lady, leaks, sweat, discharge, because we take care of them for you. Our leak-proof underwear, swimwear, activewear, and maternity wear will keep you feeling dry and secure. Mobibodi uses a high-quality natural fabric that is breathable, tech-savvy. Outer fabrics include bamboo, something wool, and microfiber for a soft, silky fit. Super slim, only 3 milliliters thick. It's hard to believe that they can hold up to 20 milliliters of fluid, which is equivalent to 2 tampons worth. We bring this firmly so that you can bring it. Moisture wicking, which is what I have, ain't it? Is 0. It's not what it said on the website. It said it was 1. Super light absorbent is 1 tampon's worth, which is 5 milliliters. And the light to moderate is 2 tampons worth, which is 10 milliliters. That's the light moderate. The regular moderate is 3 tablespoons worth, which is 15 milliliters. And the heavy is 4 tablespoons or 20 milliliters. And it tells you how to rinse them and all that. Kind of thing. I thought I got one that was absorbent. Not just... I mean, what I was going to do with the review was try to wear it with a cup. So I'm going to try these. I'm going to see if they absorb anything. Even though they're the moisture wicking, I may end up getting another pair of these that is actually supposed to be absorbent, which on the website these did say they held half a tampon's worth, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know what's up with that. These did come from Australia, so keep that in mind when you purchase these. They do take a little bit longer than the rest of the period products, which that will probably be in my review when I test these out. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for videos. Bye guys.